Sawubona, welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning family members in siSwati. Okay, let's get right into it. Babe, babe, father. Babe, babe. Moving on. Mage, mage, mother. Mage, mage. And then umfana, child. Umfana, umfana. Okay, what do you call your siblings? Booty, brother. Booty, brother. Booty. And your sister? Sisi, Sisi. Well, here I have to say that some people say Tzatze or Tzatze Wetfu, but I don't know who says that. I don't know many people that they use that one. So Sisi is the word that is typically used in Swaziland or Eswatini. Sisi, Sisi, sister. You call your sister Sisi, Sisi. And then, of course, the beloved Gogo, grandma. Am I the only person that really likes grandmothers? Gogo, Gogo, grandma, Gogo. And then Mkulu, 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 grandfather, Mkulu. Okay, and what do you call a baby? Luswane, baby. Luswane. Okay, now that you've learned some basic family or relationship words like mage, babe, mkhulu, gogo, sisi, booty, luswane, umfana. Now let's look at some example sentences and make sure that you practice, because if you don't practice, your tongue won't get used to forming the sounds. Okay, so let's say this is my mother together. This is my mother. Lona ngumage wami. Lona ngumage wami. Lona ngumage wami. Okay, now let's say this is my father. Lona ngubabe wami. Lona ngubabe wami. Lona ngubabe wami. So now let's say my brother is not here. Buti wami ageko. Buti wami ageko. Buti wami ageko. Buti wami ageko. Now let's say the baby is sleeping. Umfana ulele. Luswane lulele. So umfana is very encompassing. From a baby is umfana and then a child is umfana. Luswane is specific to an infant. So you can say luswane lulele to mean the baby is sleeping, or you can say umfana ulele. Umfana ulele. Luswane lulele. Umfana ulele. Okay, so we have practiced some words here. We've learned some new words, and we've practiced some sentences. So now let me quiz you. Okay, how do you say mother in siSwati? Mage. Yes, mage. All right, how do you say father in siSwati? Babe. Yes, babe. How do you say child in siSwati? Come on. Umfana. Umfana. Yes. How do you say grandma in siSwati? Yes, gogo, gogo, gogo. How do you say grandfather in siSwati? Yeah, mkhulu, mkhulu. Okay, and now just a quick practice. If you're talking about your grandfather, your mother, your father, it's mage wami, gogo wami, mkhulu wami, sisi wami, buti wami. If you hear anyone saying wami, they're talking about their own family member, their own grandmother. If it's gogo wami, it's their own grandmother. If it's mkhulu wami, it's their own grandfather. Okay? Well, great job today. Practice these words with your family so that you get used to saying them, but also so you can improve in siSwati. See you next time.